Bistaman may kalubking top 3 na ning Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 ing pambato ning Pampanga Red Spiegelman, petindayag na naman ning Kapampangan Beauty Queen at tubong syudad San Fernando ing makulay kultura na ning probinsya kin national pageant stage.
May isang laban di mo to aatasan, tuloy ka lang taas noong rarampahan. So confident and proud, just show them what you got. Ito ang tunay na kulay, di ba't buhay na buhay, ikaw din mamundo ka.
King Merapata Coronation Night na ning MIQPH King Aliw Theater Pasay City ni Domingo April 14. Pepakit ng Spiegelman na ela pa'y tauliring Kapampangan transgendered woman pangarasing legwa ng ponggelingan. Rinampa rin kaya katamong kandidata kin long gown competition ni kayang imana na inspired by the Sampaguita Festival na ning Lubao. Obra na ini ni Kapampangan fashion designer ay Carl John Miranda.
Become beautiful when you make beautiful choices. I am Red Spiegelman, your queen from the province of Pampanga.
Initial interview kit ng daring host ni Spiegelman nung nanoing biggest asset na sakaling bikoronan niyang MIQPH 2024. Kenny sinabi ng babakalano ring istorya na rin kayang kabaro at trans women kayabe na king kayang pageant journey at nasa na pang mamaya inspirasyon ka ring aliwang tao.
What do you think is your biggest asset to be the MIQPH 2024?
Well, I've been joining pageants for several years now. And my biggest asset is the stories I've heard from my fellow trans women. And that's the reason why I'm here, because I'm voicing their stories and I'm ready to inspire other trans youth right now.
Crowd favorite naman ni MIQ Pampanga niyang rinampayaking swimwear competition. Spiegelman ng Queen of San Fernando 2022 at ang reigning Rainbow Ambassador na ning syudad. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.